Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make analysis for your big data and create a professional report in an easy way. In this tutorial we have sheets. This sheet contains the sales transaction for mobile company and I want to know the sales share percentage for each brand and the sales share percentage for each product related to its brand. Okay, before I show you how to do this, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to receive the upcoming videos. Okay, in this example we have sheet. This sheet contains the sales transaction for a mobile company and I want to make analysis for it. Okay, this data is formatted as an Excel table and this table has a name. Its name is a sales data. Okay, and this table contain different data like the sales transaction date, as a quarter, okay, the product name, as a brand, the price, the quantity, and so on. Okay, now I want to make analysis, so I am going to use pivot table. Okay, the first step, we have to select any cell in our table like this, then select insert tab, pivot table. Okay, now create pivot table dialog box is displayed as we see. The default choice is select a table or range. Excel detect our table, okay, sales data, and if you don't use pivot a table, you can highlight your data, but be sure to highlight the header row because the header row is very important to the pivot table. Okay, then I want to create the pivot table in a new worksheet, so I select new worksheet and this is the default option, then press OK. Now Excel create a new worksheet for our pivot table. Okay, the first step, I want to display the brand names as row labels. So from the pivot table fields, I mark brand field like this. Excel automatically adds the field to the rows area, or you can drag the field to the rows area as we see. Okay, now Excel display the brand's name as a rows label. The second step, I want to know the product related to its brand. Okay, so I mark the product name. Excel automatically adds the field to the rows area. Now we can display the brands and its related product. Okay, the next step, I want to know the sales share percentage for each brand and the sales share percentage for each product related to its brand. Okay, so I display or add the total field to the values area like this. Now pivot table display the sales value for each brand and the sales value for each product. Okay, but I want to display the values as a percentage, so highlight any cell in your total column. Okay, and right click. From the shortcut menu, select show values as and then percentage of parent row total. Now Excel display the sales share percentage for each brand and the sales share percentage for each product related to each brand. Okay, then I want to change the label for the total column, so I highlight the cell and type the label and press enter. Okay, Now you can analyze your data and make the decision you want. That's it. If you like the content, please like the video and share it. Thanks for watching.